Hello to all traders and welcome back to another market review brought to you by Orbex. So we're looking at gold today after it dropped through the $2,000 handle, giving us the impetus that we are seeing now that 2000 is looking likely it's going to be more of a resistance than support. And with the move, we've also seen the $30 break to the downside. So this is quite a far way since we saw the high of 2080 when the Fed released their last interest rate decision. Since then, we've had roughly about a $100 move to the downside. So bears are fully in control of the gold market, and we're just seeing now with Treasury yields slightly in favor of the dollar. We've also seen the dollar actually bounce off the $100 handle once again, rising up to the mid 102 to 103 handle as well. So where does this leave the yellow metal going forward? Let's take a look at the charts. And like I said, we've had this $100 collapse since the peak that we saw not so long ago. But since then, as I said, we are now seeing, if I just zoom in, so it's a little bit easy to see, we're just seeing now with the assistance of the Ichimoku cloud, this kind of support with kind of just getting into the main scenario of gold. And as with the $2,000 handle being breached, we are now having this kind of curvature, and we're just seeing now if there's going to be a bit more of a bounce to the upside. But if we look on the 4-hour chart, it's a little bit more easier to see in the near term. I'll just remove these drawings so it's a little bit easy to see. As you can see here, if I just point out the $2,000 area, as you can see, roughly about a $20 drop in the last couple of sessions, which has not only seen a break on the $2,000 psychological area, but it's seen a confirmation, and with prices moving quite significantly lower, trading at the 1978 handle at the moment. We're just seeing now small consolidation, but from the early Asian session, we haven't really seen any confirmation or signal that we're going to have a rebound. If we do, then we could see this $2,000 area become a firm resistance before another leg lower. If we look back at the previous moves, we've seen support here and support here, but the actual confirmation and move through the $2,000 area has given a lot of bias to the downside. Bears are fully in control of the metal market at the moment, especially with silver actually falling lower as well. So where next for gold? We'll just wait and see for the rest of the week. We've got Fed Chair Jerome Powell giving his testimony tomorrow. This could be a big mover in the market to see if we're going to have more hawkish stance on the monetary policy, and we're also going to see if their treasury yields do keep on having a bit more favorable option for the dollar. So very, very big news coming out for the rest of the week. And obviously with gold moving through the $2,000 area, we're just seeing now if that's going to have any bearing for the next few trading sessions as well. So we can't look on gold without having a look on dollar. So I'll just bring it back to the daily chart because I just want to show you once again where we're looking at the moment. So we've got roughly the $100 area. We've had this support here roughly about the higher end of 100, just under $101 before we had this move to the upside in a fully fledged bull market now, and we're just entering the Ichimoku cloud. So this could give us the next signal that if we do get engulfed, then there could be more of an upside to roughly the next border, which is the mid $103 handle. So roughly about another 50 to 60 cents to go, but it is plausible, especially with the downturn on the dollar as well. So looking on the 4-hour chart once again, we'll just remove these drawings so it's a little bit easy to see. We're having more of a sustained movement to the upside now, as I said, which gives us more of the price action going to the upside, and will we get more of this impulse buying with these short corrections to the upside? We'll wait and see, obviously, but a bit more news releases to come out this week gives us a bit more time to digest this information, see where treasury yields are going, see where gold is going, and obviously where the dollar is going as well. We have had quite a bit of movement on the forex pairs as well with the dollar involved, so this can be very beneficial as well. We'll report on them tomorrow to see where the next move is, and we'll see where we're going in that direction as well. So as I said, thank you very much for joining me. Keep an eye on the dollar pairs and obviously gold to see where the next movement is, if we're going to have that support, resistance at 2000, or we're going to start sinking lower to previous levels, roughly down to the 1950 area. So let me know what you think. This video will be posted on our Telegram and YouTube channels as usual. So have a great trading day ahead, and we'll speak again tomorrow. Bye for now.